Water, sir, no? Huwag na. Wala ko natin ka. Tulo ako ipalo. Ipalo lang.
Asa Malaysia pagkakas. Live din. Okay.
And his opponent across the ring from the red.
We have professional record from Omega Boxing Stable in Mandawi City, Trevor Kahima. And for the judges in this round, Attorney Antoniano Caliente and Francis Cavilla. The chairman and the referee Nicolas Tomal will now give the final instructions.
All right, Mr. Avengo, my name is Sandy Grumo, Nick Banal, the third man in the ring. This is Jobert Kahimat versus Mark Sabang. Ito mabibigat.
118.
118.
Oh,
Ay, di, malalaki din eh.
Tsaka bantamweight to.
Ha?
Bantamweight na to. So,
O kasi kanina,
itong Sabang, maraming pesko na tong na-cover eh. Tama, from Masbate to eh. Kawayan Masbate yata, if I'm not mistaken. Medyo aggressive.
napunta na ako dyan.
Aggressive tong boxing, itong batang to. We'll see what...
and look at the trunks of Kahimat, Omega yan, pero iba.
Iba
Hindi naman yung
Iba
Spartan
naman,
yung sinasabi mo. Pero, fashion ano pa rin eh. Di ba?
Tama. Tama ka doon. Tsaka medyo may konting flare yung gilid.
Oo. Ito, 118 pounds to.
Bantamweight to.
Bantamweight.
For Philippine standard, medyo malalaking fighter na to.
Kasi tayo pag nasa taas, heavyweight tayo eh.
Nakita mo yung motion nung Sabang, Sir Sandy. Isa lang, papasukin kita.
Veterano na rin yan eh.
Oo, yan.
Oh! And Kahimat rocked Sabang.
Right
Straight to the
counter.
face.
Oo. It's a rude awakening for Sabang, eh, no?
Sabang, Mark Sabang, the bomb. Good.
Medyo groggy konti yung Sabang. Tinamana naman siya ng ng
Combination.
counter.
Ang ganda eh. Good counter combination there by Jobert Kahimat.
Iba naman to. Yung kanina,
May finesse to eh.
oo, ibang breed naman to Kahimat. So we will see talaga yung height niya kasi rin for bantamweight medyo malaki siya. So but I think Kahimat is still young and in progress pa yung boxing career niya.
So Mark Sabang versus Jobert Kahimat that we saw the bomb. He was rocked earlier by the one solid punch to the face by Jobert Kahimat in the early going of this first round. And that was really the first minute of the first round. We have 42 seconds remaining.
Sinabi nga he did walk dun sa
Yeah.
right nung Kahimat that stunned him, and or perhaps Kahimat could take round number 1.
And Kahimat with a reach advantage.
Oo. Kaya medyo nag-iingat-ingat din yung Sabang nung nakatanggap siya ng gano'n, nakala niya kakayanin niya yung suntok Tumama rin yung Sabang.
Oo. At tumama din yung Jan.
Matutulis yung dyan nito Kahimat.
Oo.
First time ko nakita yung Kahimat on the live.
End of the first round of a fight scheduled for 8.
Palapit na tayo ng palapit, Sir Sandy.
Oh.
Doon sa yung mga niluluto nating masasarap, eto na yun. It will come after this fight, yung co-feature na natin na John Paul Gabonilas. Actually, 3 sunod-sunod na Omega pala to.
Oo.
Kasi Roda is
Nasa kabila lang.
kabila lang.
Ito, nasa red sila eh.
Oo.
Mamaya si Ramil Roda, nasa blue.
Oh, so 3 sunod na ano pala to.
Bakit sa MGM, pag pinapanood ko, ay inuna in-announce yung red.
Oo,
Dito sa atin, blue eh.
blue.
Minsan, hindi pa naman, pero wag sana.
Pero minsan
Kasi yung red champion.
oh,
di ba?
minsan discretion din ng mga
Kasi
promoter.
mga sikat doon, no?
Oo. Pag instant naman dyan sa Japan, minsan talagang nauuna yung champion.
Ang i-announce.
Pag lalabas, nauuna yung champion talaga. So yun naman ang ano nila, yung parang yung dominance sila. Ako ang una. Ako ang unang i-introduce.
So iba-iba siguro.
Oo, iba-iba.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is round number 2. My name is Sandy Grumo with Mr. Alvin Go. All right, this is Fist of Fury 10, the Eliminator.
Ang ganda ng timing ng Kahimat, no? So, alam niya papasok yung Sabang. So, kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, isang way lang ang gagawin ni Sabang, papasukin niya to. So,
Tumama yung kanan ni Sabang. But Kahimat, walang nagbago sa kanya. It didn't change anything there.
parang ngayon, lumalaban na si Kahimat sa laban ni Sabang. Yung ganyang style na parang, sige na, bahala na.
Both fighters are mixing up. They are engaging already.
Pero magaling yung footwork ng Kahimat. Hindi siya nagpapa-corner, hindi siya naiipit so far sa mga corners.
I was about to say he was on the receiving end because he was backpedaling because Sabang is on the attack. Good uppercut there, but it was a soft one.
Tumama
Went
yung
straight to the
Kahimat,
face.
tanggal yung mouthpiece. Ang daming sinalo ng Sabang doon. Kasi pag pumapasok yung Sabang, nakapaba na yung depensa, Sir Sandy. So, very, siya, yung susceptible sa mga punches ni Kahimat.
Tumama yung kanan. Nice exchange by both fighters here. What a round for both. This is really a Chelsea promotion.
Yan, yung sabi nilang, sige na, pati bayan na.
This is really a give and take situation for both. Solid punch to the face. And Sabang.
That one too did connect.
I don't know about that call. And referee Nick Banal says it was a slip.
Pero may punch eh.
Yes. And for the first time, these two fighters are being separated by Nick Banal. Banal, that's Sabang attacking. This is the fourth fight here.
Makikita mo yung
Fifth fight.
yung crowd no? Talagang magaling talaga ang Cebu crowd.
Ay, mahirap i-please yan.
Oo. They knew that
Kahit sa concert, sa basketball. Pero pag sikat ka talaga dito. Kahimat connecting with the right hand. Sabang trying to engage here. And the bell rings. The end of the second round. And what a round for both.
Grabe, yung tumama doon kay Kahimat doon sa last instance yung kaliwa. That suddenly parang glaze eh.
Wala lang tayong slow-mo.
Oo, wala eh. Pero in our eyes, in my eyes, pero hindi ko alam kung Sir Sandy, in my eyes, that's talagang parang
Sa sunto kaya ka
knockdown talaga yun.
lumuhod eh.
Oo, knockdown talaga. In my eyes
Hindi ka naman luluhod.
Oo.
Buti kung outbalance ka. Hindi,
Yeah.
sa harap siya eh.
Oo, yeah. At saka medyo, sige, bibigyan ko ng benefit of the doubt yung referee. Medyo natakpan kasi siya eh.
Oo.
Dong ano. So, we'll see.
Exchange.
Oo.
Jobert Kahimat of the Omega Boxing Stable versus Mark Sabang of Kawayan Masbate. I was there maybe 7 years ago. That was an Omega boxing promotion there. There was a time na yung Omega pumupunta doon
Oo.
para mag-promote.
Ngayon,
Nice exchange.
yan ang gagawin ni Sabang ngayon. Papasukin ka na talaga.
Sige lang ng sige. Oh.
Oh. Ang ganda ng combination ng
But
dukot.
Kahimat very patient with his offense, hitting Sabang to the face with a beautiful straight right hand. Another double jab there by Kahimat. Very patient with his offense, as I mentioned earlier. Sabang attacking.
Yung pace nito, tingin ko, pag ganito, may papaksak dito. Eh.
Oo. We're scheduled for 8. Sabang continues to be the aggressive fighter here. Another
Wow.
good exchange, Alvin.
Wow. Now Sabang is digging deep
Yeah,
to the body. Yung batang yan.
The problem is he's gonna be outpunched himself.
Pwede. Kasi medyo matagal pa tayo. Round 3 pa lang tayo. Parang kay Sabang, make or break na to eh.
Oo. Kasi parang I think he's feeling it na kaya eh.
Oo. Parang konting push na lang eh. Para sa kanya eh.
Oh!
That
Good right hand by Sabang. And as you can see, Sabang with no defense, he was just throwing punches there, Alvin.
Sabi nga niya eh, tama yung impression natin. Bahala na. Yung ganyan ang style niya eh. Itong mga ganitong laban, mga show stealer to eh.
Oh yes.
Oo.
Oh yes.
Oh, that left did connect for Sabang.
And look at the face, it's red already. Kahimat's face is red already.
Relentless attack for Sabang.
Yes. Good choice of word. Relentless. Sabang. A relentless fighter here in round number 3. Another one to the face of Kahimat. Sabang throwing left and right.
Pero nung mistika pa, matibay yung Kahimat.
Yes. Ang dami ding mintis. Oh, yung tumama. Ang daming mintis din itong si Sabang. As I mentioned, mahirap ma-outpunch sa sarili niya, no? Pagod ba? Tumama na naman yung kaliwa ni Sabang. Tumama yung kanan ni Sabang. At yung kaliwa. And look at that, Sabang. Wow. Sabang looking Kahimat straight to the eye. Bakit hindi ka pa umupo?
Alam mo kung may resistensya to, tong Sabang,
yes.
Delikado yung Kahimat.
Oh yes.
Oo.
Kasi yung mga tira niya ang lalayo kung saan galing yung mga punches no?
So now the crowd is up dito sa New Cebu Coliseum. Talagang nabuhayan ang crowd dito.
At si Sabang nabuhayan loob after he was rocked in the opening round, in the first round, the first 1 minute of the round. We saw him tumulog yung
Oo.
yung tuhod eh. Parang
Kasi-
spaghetti.
Tama.
Parang spaghetti pababa eh.
Parang gin-round ka eh. No?
Oo.
Ganun. We'll see round number 4 na po tayo.
All right, the fight schedule for 8, Sabang versus Kahimat. An action-packed fight here in the Cebu Coliseum.
Same way, same fight.
Yeah. Oh!
Tulak.
Yan. Very sure tayo dyan. Nagtulak yan.
Tulak.
Sabang. The relentless attack continues for Mark Sabang of Kawayan Masbate. Both punches, both fighters.
Nilaro na ni Kahimat yung laro ni Sabang. Parang go for broke na rin siya.
Yeah. And listen to the crowd reacting to every punch thrown by the fighters. And you mentioned earlier, pag napagod ito, delikado din si Sabang eh.
Delikado siya. Nakikita mo, binababa na niya yung yung kamay niya. Napapagod na rin siya.
Oo.
So, halfway through pa
Kaya
lang tayo.
sumusuntok siya, pero wala siyang depensa.
Wala. So, sabi nga nila, a perfect time na counter by Kahimat. Medyo delikado yung Sabang.
Pero mukhang pagod na rin si Kahimat. Tingnan mo, yuko yun ang yuko eh. Boom! At hangin na lang. Ayun, tumama yung kanan. Sabang, ay tumama naman yung kanan ni Kahimat.
Parehong pagod na.
Parehong pagod na.
Siguro yung adrenaline na lang dalawang fighter doon nagdadala dito.
Imagine in the 70s and 80s, 15 rounds.
Oo.
1 minute remaining in round number 4. Both fighters are very tired right now, and I could say Sabang. Oh, I stand corrected. That one punch to the face by Sabang.
Connecting yung Kahimat ng jab doon.
And
Isa
Kahimat with the jab.
Isa lang masasabi ko, matibay pareho. Kasi both of them did absorb heavy punches from each other, pero nakatayo pa rin sila. Tumama yung Kahimat doon.
He rocked Sabang. Akala natin matatakot. Hindi eh. Kasi feeling niya kanina, knockdown niya yun eh.
Oo. Malaking factor yung sensor sa
Yeah, sa scoring.
Pag umabot to sa decision.
Oo. Sabang. The relentless attack by Sabang. There goes the bell.
What a way to
End of the
end
round.
number 4.
Let's take a break. Really, time flies when you're having fun.
Sabi nga nila, best seat in the house. Dito
Yeah.
tayo. Round number 5 of this.
Ang daming fight dito na mahirap i-score. Yung akot
Oh,
kanina.
tumama!
Oh!
Tumama si Kahimat!
Ayun, very clear. Well, si Sabang, he was very relentless, sabi, pero nagpabaya eh.
Nagsabayan kasi sila eh. Tsaka pumapasok si Sabang, wala ng depensa. Now, Kahimat, does he go for broke dito sa round number 5? and secure the victory? We'll see.
Pero umatake pa rin itong si Sabang. Mark Sabang went down earlier.
Ganyan-ganyan yung nangyari sa lubong eh. Yung great, sabi ka, good counter puncher nitong Kahimat
Oo,
eh.
oo.
Sabi nila, walk through that punch ang nangyari kay Sabang.
We've had so many close fights here in this boxing promotion by Lorenzo Chaosi. Kanina may even score pa nga. Yung kinover natin
Yeah.
na Akot Lorenzo, nag 57-57, nag-majority win na.
Oo.
May split. Nung unang fight, split. Dalawang split dito. Yung traso lang, yung tumbay.
Oo. Ay, yung tinamaan ng overhand na hook yung Sabang.
1 minute 10 to go. Round number 5 of a fight scheduled for 6. And I can see Nonito Donaire,
Yeah.
the corner of Kahimat.
Oo. What a boost on your corner
Oo.
by 4 Division World Champion Nonito Donaire.
Isa siya sa mga yung 8 nating
Oo,
champion dati.
oo.
Yung may Brian Viloria pa.
Donnie Nietes nandiyan.
Oo.
Oo.
And to be the longest world champion, mahirap yun.
I think si
8 years?
champion dito, gustuhan niya sa Cebu, no?
Oo.
Oh, longest reigning. Previously held by the Flash, Gabriel Flash.
Oh, na-break yan ni
Na-break ni Donnie.
Donnie Nietes. Kahimat is jabbing now. Oh, good uppercut.
corner
And
naman siya.
Sabang answers back with his own version of it. Final 10 seconds of this round.
Grabe itong laban na to. Grabe.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that was a confidence builder there for Kahimat, Mr. Alvin Go.
Tsaka Sir Sandy, 10-8 yan. In an 8-round affair na yung isang knockdown hindi na ibigay sa'yo, perhaps baka naging swing round pa yon, medyo nasa disadvantage na ngayon yung yung Sabang kung ang laban na to will come up on the decision.
Pero we still have 3 or 2 more rounds to go, or 3 more rounds to go.
6, 7, and 8. Ito yung mga crucial round for Sabang because sabi ko nga yung knockdown na yon, malaking factor yon on the mid stage ng laban na to. Kahimat get that 10-8 round, malaki yun.
So in round number 5, Mark Sabang went down. And Sabang goes to the body.
Ganun pa rin yung laban nila, no? Parang doon
Bully ba? Bully boxing.
doon nadadali yung Sabang eh. Yung depensa niya.
Kasi nakasuntok lang siya eh.
Oo. Hindi kagaya nung Kahimat, may depensa eh.
Oh!
Tumama siya.
Tumama siya doon.
Overhand. Grabe yung tempo ng laban na to. It could swing from one corner to another, no? So we'll definitely see if Sabang has something left on the tack para matapos na tong laban na to against Kahimat. Pero it's easier said than done.
I like the pace of Jobert Kahimat. Hindi siya nagmamadali.
Pero yun sa dami ng punches na binato ng both fighters, Sir Sandy, yung quality punches talaga. Yun naman sasabi natin, both fighters are very durable fighters.
Ang kombinasyon itong si Sabang. Bumawi naman itong si Jobert Kahimat. Phone booth ito eh.
Yeah,
Phone booth boxing eh.
Ang ganda nung singit mo na nasalita yun. Talagang Pagkasakali, bumbugan to.
Walang iwanan.
Wag mo kaming awatin.
1 minute and 5 remaining in round number 6.
Actually, Sir Sandy, nag-taper off a little bit pa nga itong laban na to nung round number 6. Eh.
Oo.
Talagang, tingin ko itong 6 lang medyo talagang parang nagpahinga sila ng konti. Probably bubuhos ng 7
Pahinga,
minutes.
pero paminsan-minsan, may tumatama pa rin. "35 seconds remaining in round number 6.
Schedule 8 round itong laban na to.
When you make a boxing promotion, ang hirap yung mga matchmaker, trabaho niya yun. No? Ito maglalaro, ito. Para may istorya din yan eh.
Kung masama naman ang matchmake mo,
Patay ka.
mapupunla ka rin. So, might as well mag-matchmake ka. Yung talagang
And this is for the first time. Final 10 seconds of round number 6. May pasobra pa itong si Sabang. This is for the first time na yung promoter natin, pinomote niya kahit hindi niya boxer.
yes.
Kasi si Ayan Paul Abner, hindi naman sa kanya yun. Yung Jan Xingsu, mas hindi sa kanya yun. Kasi Chinese.
Ang talagang pinipil na talaga niya dyan, si Jemol Aranas nalalaban for the WBC. At saka yung comeback ni John Paul Gabonilas. Because nung na-interview ko si Sir Chow, sabi niya, bata pa itong Gabonilas. I think malaki-laki pa ang potential nito. Medyo sira lang yung hindi lang motivated eh. Ngayon, if he strings a little win at he boosts his confidence, tingin ko ibang klaseng na tao, boxingero dito. So,
Adjust din sa ugali.
oo, tama. Kaya nga
Kasi masyadong maangas siya eh.
oo. Kaya nga nung masyadong maangas siya, binigyan siya ni Mel Bahardo ng mga 11 seconds na
Angas.
rude awakening. Diba? So,
Bumaliktad yung angas eh.
right now, I think he learned his lesson and I think he will be a better fighter in terms of Gabonilas.
Alright, again, pinag-uusapan natin na ang hirap mag-promote ng ganitong fight na suntukan talaga. Yung sinasabi nga natin kanina, sa first fight pala natin, split decision na kagad. Isa lang yung tumba dito, mga kaibigan. Yung kay Justin Trazo.
Oo, yung parang
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Meron tayong isang yung Chinese hindi natuloy eh, no?
Di mamaya siya.
Mamaya. So,
Siguro after this fight,
yeah.
iusog siya ng konti. Tapos malapit sila ng Jiang Xingzu. Sabay na sila uwi.
Oo nga, tama. Di ko naisip yun.
Hindi. Sabi nga sa akin, yung oras daw, pareho naman tayo oras ng China eh.
Oo, parehas. Kasi gusto nila parang prime time.
Oh. Ano bang oras? Prime time pa kayo.
Oo.
Kung wala pa yung soap opera kasi, yung prime time kasi, nung nag-soap opera na, bigla na bago yung prime time.
Oo. Kasi usually talaga prime time 7 or 8 o'clock eh. Isa sa Japan, gano'n eh. Gusto nila alas 8, alas 7:30, mga gano'n. Very decisive kasi ang mga Japanese. Gusto niya 7:30 na, sa ring walk ka na. Parang gano'n.
Back to this bout here inside the Cebu Coliseum. 1 minute 34 to go. Round 7 of a fight scheduled for 8. And well, Sabang went down in round number 5.
Yes. Ganda nung niya, yung counter na kanan na tumama ni Kahimat doon sa round number 5 to secure that 10-8.
Ang ganda ng jab niya eh. Mabilis.
Tsaka Sir Sandy, isang facet ng Kahimat ang gusto ko. Hindi siya nagpasindak.
Oo.
Di ba? Alam niya na si Sabang, yan lang ang way niya.
Atake.
Atakihin ka niya.
50 seconds remaining. By the way, this is the biggest fight so far this year.
Yes.
And it is happening here inside the Cebu Coliseum, the mecca of sports and entertainment here in the South.
Tsaka tingin ko hindi the biggest event, not only in Cebu, the biggest event in the Philippines right now.
Because this is an IBF Eliminator winner. And that will be later on. And we have a fight on our hands right now. Kahimat versus Sabang. Sabang, as I mentioned earlier, went down in round number 5.
Papasalamat din tayo sa Hotel Fortuna.
Oo.
Kasi yan ang parang naging home ng mga guests natin for today's event.
Magandang hotel yan. When
Oo.
bago pa yan, mga 10 or maybe 15 years ago. I was there. Ang ganda.
So we will probably go down to the distance. Not unless may baksakan dito sa round number 8.
Sabi ko nga kanina, isa lang. Kay Justin Trazo lang ang tumba. 1 minute and 30 seconds in the very first round. Yun lang. Pagkatapos nun, puro na desisyon.
Tingin ko, walang ibang way ang gagawin ang corners ni Mark Sabang to go all out on round number 8.
And it's Doc J giving instructions to Jubert Kahimat. So far, he's doing good in the last 3 rounds.
Yes. At saka yung nagkaroon tayo ng suspect, baka si Sabang hindi makatapos. Meron rin pala siyang resistensya. Diba? Sabi nga nila, kayo niloloko niyo ako na wala akong hangin. Eto, nakatapos ako hanggang 8 rounds.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, round number 8, the final round of this bout between Sabang and Kahimat. Third man in the ring is Nick Banal. If this will be a very close fight, we go to that what happened in round number 2.
Tama. Yung I don't know. Pero we'll see. Dapat meron silang parehong knockdown bago. How would you score it? No? Parang we'll see.
And the exchange by both fighters there. And Nick Banal separating both. The jab by Sabang hitting the face of... kanina pa yan, pula-pula na yung mukha. Round 2 pa lang itong kay Kahimat.
Pero you could sense that both fighters are a little bit tired already. The stings of the punches are not the same the earlier round. A minute and 40 left on the final round of this slam bang affair between Mark Sabang and Jubert Kahimat.
Because of that knockdown that happened in round number 5, kung wala yun, ang hirap i-score eh.
Mahirap. Sir Sandy, tamang-tama yung sinabi mo, mahirap. Baka yun ang decider eh. So, I think may dapat gawin yung Mark Sabang. Obvious, very obvious. He is in a disadvantage if this fight go to the scoring.
105 remaining in round number 8. The final round of this bout between these two fighters, Sabang from Kawayan Masbate and Jobert Kahimat from the Omega Boxing Stable. And we saw Donito Donaire earlier.
Yeah, giving instruction, giving motivation to the fighters of Omega Boxing Stable.
.30 seconds remaining.
We'll see if there is one last push for Mark Sabang. Oh, that 1-2 did connect for Sabang.
17 seconds remaining.
Kita mo yung mukha din yung Kahimat. Sir Sandy, the wear and tear and the punches that he did receive against Mark Sabang.
For 10 seconds. So it's very interesting again. I will say this again of how the judges will score this one, but the big difference was round number 5.
Nakita mo, Sir Sandy, parang ayaw yakapin ni Sabang. Parang bago niyakap siya ni Kahimat. Sabi niya, nilalambing na kita, ayaw mo pa. Diba? So what a great fight.
Card.
Between Jubert Kahimat of Omega Boxing Stable against Mark Sabang of Masbate. Papanoorin ko ulit to bukas because I think ang gandang laban to. Sabi ko nga baka yung decider lang yung knockdown ni Kahimat.
So we will wait for the official announcement of who will win this bout. So again, it's going to be in the hands of our 3 judges at ringside, and it's very interesting of how they will, how will they score this bout. We're waiting for the official score here. Alright, medyo natatagalan yung mga officials natin to score this bout. Alright, here we go. Jimmy Donton is ready to announce the winner of this bout. What did I say? What did I say? It's a split decision win by Mark Sabang.
Mark Sabang
So
winning.
ibig sabihin, yung round number 5, yung natumba siya,
It was
walang,
talagang iba yung nakikita ng judges. Ako nakikita ko malaking factor kasi yung yung knockdown. Perhaps